Well, happy holidays, everybody. This is Music of My Life. Gene Weed, your host, on a Saturday night from Honolulu, Hawaii at CBS Studios. And tonight we're going to go back a little bit in time, about 1985, where Joe Bushkin meets his good old friend Les Paul.
Yeah, of course, because we had that big, and so one violin player says, "Gee," he says, "you mean to tell me you're going to put that rock right up against my Strat?" I said, "Look, I guarantee you, it isn't going to fall."
As it turned out, it was his last album, and it is an album of note. It was released on Atlantic Records, and most importantly, it was made in Matawan, New Jersey, in his home studio. The way Les Paul made virtually all his hit records, thousands of them. Tonight, in a few words, it's a piece of history. And you need to listen to this on this holiday season. A tribute to Les Paul and Mary Ford, Joe Bushkin, and his associates.